In this lesson, I will explain to you the difference between average if and average ifs in Microsoft Excel and where you have to use these functions. If you want to find out the average of this column, right, so what you have to do, you have to write down first equal to sign, because the formulas in Microsoft Excel starts with equal to, and you can see average here. Double click here and you have to assign the range. So our range is from here to here, and then close the parenthesis, enter. 73.95 is the average of this column, but this is not our topic. Our topic is average if and average ifs. This is simple average. If we use some condition, right, if we use one condition in our data, we have to use average if we have multiple conditions, then we have to use average ifs. So how to use the average if, I will show you with the help of the formula, and then we will see the difference between these two. First of all, you can see our data. This is the student's name. These are the grades, subjects and marks. So again, I am going to use equal to sign, because you know the formula start with equal to sign. When you will write down AVE, you will see all the formulas related to average. So here you have to click average if, because we are going to use one condition. And my condition is I want the average marks of those students who are in grade 9. So I have only one condition, the students of grade 9. Right, see, this is David is in grade 9 and he is taking math here. And where is the other 9? This one, Carla, is in grade 9 and she is taking computer. Kulsum, grade 9, statistics. So I want to know, first of all, you have to select the range. Do not select the label or title and then comma. After comma, you have to assign the criteria. My criteria is the students of 9th grade. So here we have 9, here we have 9, here we have 9. It's not necessary that you have to click on the first 9th only. If you want, you can click here any cell where you can see 9. So this one I will show you, and then comma, and then range is this our marks, and close the parenthesis, enter 65.8. So the students who are in grade 9, this one, right, David, and see, even though they are taking different subjects, but the average of all these four are 65.8, and we have used here only one if condition. Now one more time, one average if I say now the students of all classes, whether they are in grade 7, 8, 6, 9, whatever, but I want to know the average of statistics, right? So see, Fatma is in grade 8, she is taking statistics. Shehzad is grade 6, he is taking statistics. Rahul, grade 7, statistics, and so on. So I said all the students, whether they are in grade 7, 8, 9 or whatever, but if they are learning statistics, I want to know the average. So again, range, in this time our range is this range, right? And in this range I said statistics. So any cell where you can see statistics, click there, and then comma, and we want to know the average. So you have to select the marks and enter 88. So the students of all the classes who are taking statistics, their average is 88. Here see, we had only one condition, that is why we had used average if. Now move on to average ifs. If we have multiple conditions, if I say here the students of 9th grade, see here we have one condition. I am looking the average of those students who are in grade 9 and taking math. So see, now two conditions, and so you have to use average ifs. Average range, so this is our range criteria, comma, just follow the syntax, criteria range, right? So this is our criteria range 1, comma, and what is our criteria? I am looking for grade 9. Any cell where you can see 9 you can press comma. And what is our second range? Our subject is our second range. What subject we are looking for? We are looking for math, and then close the parenthesis, enter is 52. It means the students of 9th grade who are taking math, their average is 52. One more time, if I will say that, suppose this time I say the students of grade 7, right, grade 7 who are taking computer, or see here we have only one, so suppose I can uh, any other thing, statistics, right, grade 8 students, or simply what I can do, I can make this 8, so at least we can see we have 2, right, this number will change. Okay, so here see equal to average ifs. So this is our criteria. For this column we have to take the average column, and then criteria 1 range. Our first criteria range is this. Out of this range, which class we are looking for? Which are looking for grade 8. This is first condition. And now this is the second range. But what subjects we are looking for? Statistics. Close the parenthesis, press enter, and there is something error. Just do not worry. Okay, do not find. If you do some error, do not worry about it. Do it again. It will take time. If we will try to find out the error, it will take time, so do not worry about it. We can do one more time, this one, and here we are looking this comma, our second is this comma, we are looking for statistics, close the parenthesis, and this one. So 97.666 is the average. So I hope the concept is clear. If we have one condition, then we have to use average if, but if we have multiple conditions, then we can use average ifs. So now please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.